deal. It's just another 3 weeks I'll have to do it all again.
Alright. Awesome. Yeah. Do you have somebody to mow your yard out front?
I mow it.
I was just gonna say if you needed somebody to mow it, I can do it. I can do it for you.
Okay. I usually just take a little bit. I did have
Yeah, one of my yard bosses passed away this year.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, he was a good guy. But he had a mouth like he was a sailor. It was like, every time he get angry, he cusses. Yeah, it kind of sucks, but now he's gone. And his wife is moving out of the house. Alright. Break time. Oh, there's my mug. Oh, thirsty. Yeah. Okay, I'm good for right now. I just need to take a drink. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Want me to help you remove these?
Well, Grandpa's is going to haul them and dump them over the edge.
Okay.
And you don't probably really want to do that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me give you something else you can do here.
Alright.
Here you go. This is my garden.
Yeah.
You lost it.
Yeah, my earbud.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you get it back in? Or?
Yeah, I got it.
All right.
Sometimes these things are a pain in the butt.
What we're going to do with these...
Oh, looks like I got a straggler.
Yeah. We're going to pick that up, and then we'll get the leaves out there.
Yeah.
What I thought with these, because you don't want to take them all